Are you tired of carbonated drinks? But you want to have some drinks, some healthy drinks outside water? Not to worry, this is what you can do. You can have a healthy homemade drink on your own. All you have to do is have these ingredients. Here is your tiger nut, and this is your coconut, and this is your dates. With these three ingredients, you can make a healthy drink. Pour your tiger nut into your blender in portions. You pour some of the tiger nut. You don't need to overlabel your blender. You pour some of the tiger nut. Then you pour some of the coconuts that you sliced into small pieces, and then some of the dates. You add some water. You add some cold water into it. You cover and you start blending. You keep on blending till it is very smooth. You keep on blending till it is very smooth. You blend, stop, continue again till the texture of the ingredients inside the blender is very smooth. As you blend, if it's too thick, you add more water. This is the first blend, very smoothly blended together. The tiger nut, the coconut, and the dates. You turn that one out and you put in another one till you finish blending all. Add your cold water. And you blend it. You know, you have to put cold water, not ordinary water, because it keeps the tiger nut cool and prevents it from souring. If the tiger nut becomes hot, it will sour, and then your tiger nut juice is going to spoil. So you use a very chilled water, cold water when you're blending. Having blended your tiger nut, coconut and dates perfectly smooth, you now sieve it. You get a sieve to extract the juice from the fiber. You can see what I'm doing. You press out the juice into a cup or into a container. When you see that there's still juice or milk in it, you add some water. You add some water and continue sieve. Having drained out all the juice from that one, you turn out the chaff into a plate. You see, that's the juice inside the cup. You continue that process till you complete it. This is our tiger nut juice.